Excuse me, can you stay on your side of the bed, please?
I am.
Your beefy body is taking up all the fucking space.
What are you talking about?
You're 1,000 degrees, and you need to cut your toenails. Fucking talons.
Take your fucking sweatshirt off.
No, stop trying to hit on me.
Oh my god.
And you can sleep wherever you want, precious angel boy. Oh, you take up all the space you want. Go anywhere you want. We love to cuddle. Cuddles, 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 cuddles.
I thought we agreed no dogs in bed.
If you don't like it here, you can leave. Oh, you want to go over there? Oh, go over there. Go over there. Who's a good boy?
I have no room.
Why are you being mean?
Where do you want me to go? I'm literally at the edge of the bed.
He's a baby. Let him go where he wants.
He's taking up all the space.
You look comfortable to me.